talking about the antibiotics reduction toolbox of Biomin. We have the gut performance products with the different categories that we can use and utilize to really reduce the antibiotic usage, like phytogenics, organic acid-based product, as well as microbials. Very important is that everything we see today are all our research findings, but right now we are actually translating those into field trials, directly working with our customers to demonstrate this, not just here in our research station, but also in the field, really looking at the performance improvement or the different achievements from the different additive systems that we are establishing with different mixtures or different ways to apply. Most importantly is at the same time that we use our additives to achieve the targets of the producer, we also achieve a reduction of antibiotics used as well as a reduction of antibiotic resistance in those systems as well, which we now can prove and demonstrate.